Hello again. Today we are going to practice listening to the first sound in a word, and we're going to play a game called Hungry Hippos. And this character here is a hungry hippo called Hetty. She's Hetty the hungry hippo, and she only likes to eat foods that start with a sound. She eats some really weird things, but so long as the things start with a sound, she will be a happy hippo. So let's have a look at the first thing. You've got to decide whether she's going to want to eat this. This is a jar of honey. So if you think Hetty, the hungry hippo, would like to eat honey, if it starts with a sound, so listen, does honey start with a sound? If you think it does, can you shout, happy hippo? Honey starts with so Hetty will like that. So she's going to be a happy hippo and she's going to eat the honey. In it goes. Right, let's see what the next thing is. See whether you think Hetty would like to eat this. This is a mirror. So remember, Hetty will only eat something that starts with a sound. So if you think she's going to want to eat a mirror, you're going to shout, happy hippo. If you think she won't want to eat the mirror because it doesn't start with a sound, you're going to go, yuck. So mirror starts with Hetty won't like that. It doesn't start with, it starts with the mirror. That's a yuck from Hetty. Let's get rid of that. So let's see what's coming along next. This is a horse. Does horse start with If you think it does, shout happy hippo. If you think it doesn't start with can you go yuck? Horse starts with so that will make her a happy hippo. And she's going to munch the horse. Let's see what comes next. This is a hook. If you think hook starts with shout happy hippo. If you think it does not start with then you shout yuck. So this is a hook. Hook starts with so she's going to be a happy hippo. In goes the hook. Let's see what she might eat next. This is some seeds. If you think seeds starts with a can you shout happy hippo? If you think seeds does not start with can you shout yuck? Seeds starts with a s. Hetty won't like that. Yuck! Let's take those away. Let's see what's next. This is quite, let's move Hetty back. This is quite big. This is a hood of a coat. Hood. If you think hood starts with can you shout happy hippo? If you think hood does not start with can you shout yuck? Hood starts with so that will be a happy hippo. In it goes. Chop, 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 chop. Let's see what the next thing's going to be. This is a mask. Mask. If you think mask starts with h, can you shout happy hippo? If you think mask does not start with h, can you shout yuck? Mask starts with Hippo won't like that. Mask doesn't start with h, so let's take that away. Let's look at the next thing. Here is some hair. If you think hair starts with h, then shout happy hippo. If you think hair does not start with h, shout yuck. Hair starts with h, so she will be a happy hippo. Let's chomp, 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 chomp. And the last thing is a hat. It's quite a big hat. So if you think hat starts with h, can you shout happy hippo? If you think hat does not start with h, can you shout yuck? Hat starts with h, so that will be a happy hippo. Don't know if that will fit in her tummy. It's rather big. There we go. So, well done for doing some great listening. If you want to have another go at that and practice listening for things that start with a h sound, you can have another watch. Enjoy.